Buying a home is a huge decision to make. Should I buy a brand new home or should I buy a used home? Today, we're going to talk about a benefit to buy a new home. The benefit of buying a new home is you don't have to worry about the repair and the maintenance because everything is brand new. On top of that, you can choose the layout, you can choose the material, and you can choose where you live.
Plus, when you buy brand new, you get the latest materials, everything is built to the latest building codes, and of course you get things like improved efficiency, like extra insulation in the walls and the ceiling, etc. That keeps your utility costs down. Being brand new, you have low maintenance for several years, and on top of all of that, you get the Alberta New Home Warranty, so everything is fully covered, giving you peace of mind. So if you're in the market for a new home, go visit some show homes because they have wonderful new features, such as, did you want a fireplace? Do you want the old square corners or do you want the rounded corners? And even things like, do you want windows on each side so it lets in light during the day? One place that I love to customize is, of course, the kitchen. Things like the integrated dishwasher panel, so it just blends into the rest of the kitchen. And when you have a kitchen, make sure that you have plenty of storage for useful things like recycle. Now, isn't that convenient? Because this kitchen has lots and lots of storage, they were able to do away with a few of the upper cupboards, leaving them to put this beautiful shelf and the full backsplash instead of the tile. Once again, that's the customization. One other thing to consider when you're buying new, make sure that the appliance allowance from the builder covers the appliances that you want. Some other great things that you can customize: under-shelf lighting, that way you can see everything when you need it. You can get it for the pantry like this. You can also get it in the kitchen on all of the drawers when you pull them out. It's amazing how much you can customize, but be careful because everything that you customize, it could incur an additional cost.
A lot of new homes offering you the upstairs laundry, and I think that's a great feature because it saves you lots of time. You don't have to carry all the laundries, go downstairs. One of the customized features for this home is you can see there's no drywall. They actually took out the drywall. So the laundry room and the ensuite closet are totally connected together. A brilliant design that helps you to do your laundry easily. After you've done the laundry, you just hang on your clothes. Very easy to organize it and very much save your time. And now you walk out. This is your beautiful master bedroom. One of the benefits of buying a new home is you can always customize to your own need. You can choose the different colors on your wall. You can put the wallpaper. You can have a different lighting fixtures, and you can have a different design and decor. In the ensuite, you have tiles, sink, faucet, and more. Now, the more customized means there's a more cost involved. So very important, talk to the builder to figure out the budget.
So customization doesn't end there. Even in the basement, you can go for the highest ceiling so it doesn't even look or feel like a basement. And then one more thing, have you ever considered, instead of going for drywall, have you ever considered paneling? Because paneling has some special features such as a hidden door. So buying a new home is very exciting and there's lots of things that you can customize.
Today we covered lots of unique features. I wonder which one you like the best. Leave us comments.
And thanks for watching.